will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious anger those who attempt to poison and destroy my brothers. And you will know my name is the Lord when I lay my vengeance upon thee.
People are dying. Entire ecosystems are collapsing. We are in the beginning of a mass extinction.
Amazing. It takes a lick and it keeps on ticking.
In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Then God separated the water and the sky. He formed the seas and the land.
After the floodwaters engulfed the world, the Bible describes a new beginning and a chance to restore the relationship between God and humanity.